I've cut open one of these pressure switches, and these pressure switches occasionally fail. And this one, you screw it into the tank here, and this is a failed switch, and you could see this is where the gas would press against. It would go through that hole, and it would come out. It would be pressing against this tab and a membrane that's behind that tab. Now, when it begins to fail, what will happen is that the membrane will be pushed away from the attachment there, allowing gas to enter the inner part of this switch. And also liquid, the moisture will condense inside here, and that's what's causing this rust. So this tab, the gas is pressing against that membrane and pushing this tab out. So you can see that tab there and how it fits into the system. And then that tab has that hole in the center of it, and that captures this pin here in the center here. And when the gas pressure is sufficient, it presses this pin and then presses the contacts on the metal tabs here. So each of these metal contacts here are sticking into the system inside here, and for the two of these contacts are for normally closed, and then the other two are for normally open. And for the normally closed, which is what I use it for, there's a metal bar here connecting these two tabs together normally, and then when enough pressure builds up, it presses this pin and presses the contacts away from this metal bar, so it opens the contact, and then you won't get any gas being manufactured, because it breaks the connection between these two pins. On the other side, if it's normally open, then the pressure will press, the contacts will not be connected normally, and then this pressure will connect the contacts together when there's sufficient pressure. And so if you see moisture, you can see moisture got in here, and rust has developed on some of the metal components. And if you see moisture coming out the back here, then it's a sign that this is failing. On here we have a rubber plug on the back here, and I've pulled it out, and you could see how the moisture has come through there, and you could see the residue of liquid coming out. When you begin to see that residue, or you see liquid dripping out of this, it means that this has gone bad, so it needs to be replaced, because you will have a gas leak because the membrane over here behind this tab has come loose and is allowing gas and liquid to leak into the switch.